Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today I'm going to show you to make this herbed ice cubes with edible flowers. What? Super easy and a good way to let summer last a little longer, even though it's so hot right now. I have my empty tray here. I've got my mint. I'm going to chop this. I've got pre-boiled water, cooled, and I've got decorative little edible flowers to stick in there too. This is a really good way to preserve your herbs if you get too much in a bunch, or if you want to just like freeze them up so they stay fresher longer. I'm just gonna chop this roughly and bruise the mint so it releases some of the flavor. I'm sticking one flower face down in each one of these little containers so we can see the flower when it's turned into an ice cube. Now I'm grabbing a little bit of mint and sticking it in each one of these. You want it below the water level. Now we can fill with water. And then freeze 6 hours overnight until you have ice cubes. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments what flavor combinations you want to try. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye. Cheers. I'm gonna need to put all these in a bathtub so I'm not so hot.